Ladies and gentlemen, this car needs no introduction. This is the Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon and it is now been electrified, and it comes at a very electrifying price tag of rupees 3 crores that is just been launched in India. And if you're thinking that you can book this, I'm sorry, that is not possible because it is been sold out till Q4 2025. So that means that it is sold out till this year's Diwali, and after that only you can book for your G-Wagon electric if you haven't booked it yet. This is a car that is an absolute legend, which is known for its V8 engine and off-roading and every other capability that you already know about. It's a car that has seen more than half a century of absolute dominance in the way it looks, in the drive and everything else. What this also does is becomes electric, has four motors on each motor on four wheels, so it is four-wheel drive and it is all electric. It has a torque of 1163 Newton meters, 500 plus bhp of power. And just look at that interior. I can only show you right now how it looks like this. You've got the new screen. This is of course based on the facelifted that G-Wagon that was launched earlier. And excuse the lights, I can't really help it right now on how it looks, but yeah, this should give you an idea of how it looks like. It's got the new steering, the new screen, pretty much the similar center console, and the huge seats, of course electric, heated, and you know, memory along with seats and every other feature that you can think of. That is what the rear seat looks like. Again, very big, and the seats are humongous in true European fashion. Just look at the amount of headroom that is going to be on offer, and you get a small sunroof, not a panoramic sunroof. So this is quite interesting. A lot of power, lot of torque, four-wheel drive, all through electric, and it can do the infamous 360-degree turn on in its axis as well. So it can do a tank turn, what Mercedes-Benz likes to call the G-turn, and this will make things off-roading very easy. It locks the wheels and gets you done. Just reminding you of what the boot space is like on the G-Wagon. It's all about those numbers, the heavy weight, the lock, noise, and all of these things just makes the G-Wagon very special. It's sold out, you know the specs. It can do a lot of off-roading. It can do 13 rounds of off-roading at Mercedes-Benz's center, and just left with just about enough charge to get back to the charging point. So that is a lot of range. You are getting a good amount of range with this car, almost around 500 kilometers, which is not that bad for a car that is almost, according to me, 3 tons in weight. I think that's what the G-Wagon electric EQ 580 is all about. Let's wrap up this quick launch video, hoping to test drive this car and tell you more about it, on how it drives and the way it performs. Until then, thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.